In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no delivery available error on Shopify. This issue can be a common frustration for online store owners as it prevents your customers from being able to complete their purchases effectively. Thankfully, it often has a straightforward solution. Let's dive right into it. The first thing we need to consider is why this error might be popping up. Often, it's because the location from which your buyer is attempting to purchase isn't supported in your current list of shipping locations. Another possibility is that you simply might have forgotten to enable or add specific locations that you can ship to. Both of these are manageable within your Shopify settings. To start the troubleshooting process, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin page. Once there, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to various customization options for your store. But today, we are particularly interested in the shipping and delivery settings. You can find this on the left panel, so click on it to move forward. Now, the next thing we need to do is identify which shipping profile you are currently using. Your shipping profile holds all the details and parameters regarding the locations you ship to. Find the one that's relevant to your issue and select it for editing. With the shipping profile open, you have a couple of options to adjust location settings. If you're noticing that certain destinations are missing, you'll want to add a new shipping zone. Look for the Add Shipping Zone button and click on it. This allows you to input new locations or regions, effectively expanding the reach of your deliveries. But perhaps you're in a situation where a zone already exists, yet it's incomplete or inaccurately set up. In this case, simply locate the existing shipping zone you wish to modify and click Edit. Here, you can add any necessary locations that might have been overlooked initially. This adjustment empowers you to customize where you ship effortlessly, making sure all potential customers can access your products seamlessly. Once you've successfully added or edited the necessary zones, the last step in the process is to ensure that everything is saved. Look for the Save button, click it, and your changes will be secured. And there you have it. With these adjustments, the no delivery available error should no longer be a hindrance to your business. By following these steps, you can optimize your Shopify store's shipping settings, providing a smoother shopping experience for your customers and minimizing any potential lost sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling.